To enable USB debugging on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we can open Settings. Now, over here in Settings, we want to go to About Phone because we need to activate developer options. We want to keep tapping on the OS version option over here until you need to enter the screen lock password. So once you enter your screen lock password, you should be able to see this information that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back to Settings and scroll all the way down in order to choose Additional Settings. Then over here, we need to find developer options, which is usually at the bottom as well. And there we go. Now we're gonna scroll down just a little bit to find the debugging section. And here we can find USB debugging, so we can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. You need to select that you are aware of possible risks. Tap on this circle over here. And then after 10 seconds, you can tap on this OK button. And there we go. Besides that, we can also find USB debugging with security settings, which you can also enable in here. Leave a like and subscribe.